Sorry about the hard cut, guys. Somebody came out and wanted to chat with me, so didn't want to get them on camera and all that, so I did cut. So sorry about that. But man, this stuff is gone. I haven't touched the car since I cut, by the way. That's some just foam that's stuck behind the headlight. But that gross, nasty deadness is completely gone, man. So two applications at 1 minute. So now the next thing I'm obviously going to do, I'm doing this as a pre-treatment. So I am buying or I've already bought, I just haven't received it today. I bought 2 different foam cannons. I bought a bunch of different supplies. I'll probably do an unboxing or at least a showing of what I got on my initial bulk. And then I'll be showing you guys kind of how I'm learning as a noob how to detail a car and giving you my honest opinions on products. So that you guys can kind of go from what I say, one person's opinion, but again, nobody's paying me to do this. Nobody's going to be giving me free products. So I'm going to tell you, something sucks. I'm going to flat out tell you. But anyhow, this stuff is awesome. I would highly recommend it. If you've got bugs, new, old, whatever, this stuff is legit. This is, again, 2020. This is August. So whatever the formula is for this is currently the one that I am using. But awesome stuff, man. I'd recommend it. If you like this video and kind of want this more content like this, feel free to leave comments. But you know how this works. If you can subscribe and hit the like button, it certainly helps me out and makes me want to continue to post stuff for you that might be of interest for you guys. Thanks.